Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Welcome to my kitchen today where we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to make something that is quick, easy, simple, and delicious. I know that's the kind of recipe you like. That's the kind of recipe that I love. But today, I'm going to show you how to do it. And you're going to make it, your family's going to love it, and you're going to look like a kitchen rock star, baby. What is this? You guessed it, shrimp and grits. Ah, man, it looks so good. Let's go ahead and start getting this together. Let's make it. So I have here some beef sausages, and I'm just kind of slicing them on the bites a little bit. And I'm just cutting up pretty thin slices. You can cut them at any thickness that you like, but as long as you get those sausages in there. I'm using beef. You can even use a pork or a combination pork and beef or turkey sausage, whatever you desire. So I've got these cut up. I have a pan here, just a saucepan that I'm going to get all these sausages down in. And then when I get them in, I'm going to just brown these sausages. Brown them up. So now I'm getting my shrimp ready. This is the star of the show. So what I need to do here is I bought some that have the shell and the tail on them. So I've got to go through all of these, and I have got to take off the tail and take the shell off so that we can have some beautiful, beautiful shrimp. Now, some of you, and I like to do it sometime, but the people that are eating with me today, they don't like it on there. But some of you, if you like to keep the tail on, just take that shell off and leave the tail on, because I like the tail on so that I can just sort of use it as a handle to hold my shrimp. But I'm not doing that today. I'm taking the tail off because the ones that I'm cooking this for, they don't want the tail on there. So I'm getting rid of the shell and the tail. So here you see all this that I have laying here to the side. You can use that, put it in some water, boil it, cook it down, and then turn it down on simmer, let it simmer, and make you some seafood stock with that, and you can use it in many soups and dishes. So I put in some Old Bay seasoning and some garlic powder. Actually, I use granulated garlic. I am putting in here some granulated onion powder, and I'm putting in also some complete seasoning. And you just put however much you want. Now this is Hungarian hot paprika, and you can put in the amounts that you like. Now, I love this. You can leave it out. You don't have to have it. But if you can get it, get it. You can get it on Amazon. Spice it right. It's one of my favorite seasonings for seafood or for shrimp especially. Now, I'm just going to mix all this together and get everything covered in here nice and good. I'm going to wash my hands a little bit, and then I'm going to take this. I let this sit actually about 7 or 8 minutes. And then I'm going to take it, I've got some butter here melted in this saucepan, and I'm just going to take these pretty little shrimp, and I'm going to get them down into the pan. Just going to cook them for a few minutes, just until they change color. So I've got these on a medium-high heat, and I'm going to just saute these pretty little guys. So this has been maybe 3 minutes, maybe, on this side. I'm going to come in, and I am going to just turn each one of them over. Just sort of turn them over so they can cook a little bit on both sides. So I'm over on this side. I'm going to keep them about, I guess, another minute. And like I said, you'll know because they'll change color. But you don't want to let them stay in here too long because they will become like little rubber discs. And that's no good. That's real boo-boo. Nobody wants that. So we're going to just make sure they stay tender and nice. Okay, now I've got those ready. Let me go ahead and make the grits, honey. So I'm using 4 cups of water. And I am going to this 4 cups of water, I'm going to add 2 cups of grits. Here I have just some quick grits, what you call quick grits. They cook in 5 minutes. And I'm using my favorite brand of grits, and that's the Jim Dandy brand. But any grit will be good. Any would be good. So I'm getting those in here, and this water is already hot, just almost to the right to the boil. So I put my grits in, and when you first put them in, you want to just stir them a little bit. Make sure there's no lump of grits standing there or no pile of grits in one place. You want them to be all over the pan. So now they've been cooking just a few minutes, and they're back up to the boil. And so you can see them bubbling and cooking there. During this 5 or 6 minutes, you want to make sure you stir it a couple of times so that they do not stick to the bottom. Oh man, these are ready. They've been cooking. I might have let them cook 6 minutes, but I want you to look at the texture. This is what you want in here. For other times, you can make it creamier, softer, more loose. But this is the texture that you want for these shrimp and grits. Now look at this. Oh man, I got the sausage here and I got the grits, and they are piping hot. I am got my shrimp on there. I am just got this. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna just sprinkle some cheese. Now I'm gonna be using cheddar cheese. You could use Parmesan or whatever kind of cheese you would like, pepper jack. I'm just gonna use a little bit of cheddar cheese, and I'm coming back with this hot mushroom gravy. You know, I just remembered I didn't videotape myself making this gravy, but that's okay. I'm gonna make some gravy for you, mushroom gravy, and I'll show it to you in another video. Be looking out for it. Okay, a little bit more gravy. Now this is a pretty dish that I made for my company. I made for others, but this is the way I like my dish. I want mine swimming in gravy. This is what I did for Meso's dish. This is the way I like mine. So you choose how you want, lots of gravy or just a little bit of gravy and a cute little dish. Okay, so I thank you guys for coming by, checking on me today to see what I was doing. You wanted to know, but you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. The ones of you that are already subscribed, I want to thank you. And for those who have not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to me. And then also hit the notification bell until parentheses come around that bell. And that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Guys, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook. I'm Meso Making It on all of those platforms. Come over and check me out, leave me a message, show me some love. I sure would appreciate it. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, give me a like, because that'll help to promote my videos, and I appreciate you for doing that. Guys, you know what? There are tons of people, and I mean really good cooks on here. Every day you could choose to look at any one of those, but today you chose to look at me, and I want you to know how much I appreciate you watching my videos, and I will love you and appreciate you for it. Keep on coming back. Look, here's what I want you to do, guys. Practice really taking care of yourself and loving yourself. Self-help and taking care of yourself is where it's at right now. If you take real good care of yourself and love yourself, you'll be better able to love somebody else. And you know one good way to show somebody else that you really, really love them? Share your love by sharing your food. Share your love by sharing your food. That's what I always say. Guys, see you until next time. All right, be good. Bye-bye.